Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. Many new moms struggle with not having adequate milk supply for their growing babies. Now there are various reasons, various factors which affect milk supply. These include PCOS, thyroid issues, diabetes, hypertension, hormonal problems, or even use of certain medications. If women take too long to start breastfeeding or are not breastfeeding often enough, can also lead to low milk supply. Considering you have none of these and you want to increase your milk production, I'm going to share with you a very simple recipe. As always, I like to share things you can make at home that are easy to find and that can last you a while. For this mixture, you will need very few ingredients. Once you make it, you can save it in an airtight jar, preferably a glass jar, and keep it in a cool place or even the refrigerator. It should last you a while. You will need 200 grams of fenugreek powder. Fenugreek is an herb that is similar to clover. The powder you will use is made from its seeds. Along with fenugreek powder, you will need 200 grams of ground sesame, 50 grams of chickpeas powder, and 100 grams of turmeric. You mix all of these with 500 grams of molasses or date syrup or honey or even a combination. You mix everything really well and you store it in a jar. What you need to do is take 1 teaspoon in the morning and 1 in the evening. Don't exceed this amount because fenugreek is hot in its effect and is not recommended in large doses. It doesn't have a hot, spicy taste, but it generates heat in the body. This is also great for women who are recovering post-delivery because it generates strength and energy in the body. This can also help people who are anemic. So if you are anemic or someone you know is anemic, you can give them this. You can give it to the children, but only 1 teaspoon a day, not more than that. But for adults, recommended dosage is 1 teaspoon twice a day, and you should see results in a very short time. Along with that, eat a wholesome diet, make sure you are active, make sure you are relaxed and calm and not anxious. If you are a new mom and you're struggling with nursing, please talk to a lactation consultant. This can make a huge difference. This is it for this video. I hope you benefit from it. Please share the video with your friends and family who might need this. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you shortly. Take care. Bye-bye.